Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the LED light assembly holder in this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a small flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Open both refrigerator doors and use the small flathead screwdriver to depress the retaining tabs to release the LED light cover. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the two screws mounting the LED light holder to the top of the inner liner. Depress the tabs to release the holder, then disconnect the wire connector. Push the LED light bar away from the smaller retainers in the holder, then lift up to remove. To install the new LED light assembly holder, keep the LED light bar wires to the right as you secure the bar under the retainers in the holder. Connect the wire connector. Then align the holder on the inner liner and snap it into place. Thread the screws to fully secure. Realign the side of the cover where the three retaining tabs are more closely positioned with the rear edge of the opening, then snap the cover into position. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.